Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start our new topic called ESG Training Matrix. Creating this training matrix for ESG and a table specifically involves outlining the types of training related to the ESG topics that employees may need based on their roles and responsibilities within the organization. Here we are going to discuss the structured examples of an ESG training matrix related table. So here we need to consider certain factors as well that we will discuss later on, that how to use the ESG training matrix table. But let us first see certain examples of different training programs related to environmental social governance dimensions for different employee roles and departments. So first take example of, let's say, executive leadership. Okay, what trainings related to ESG? Let's say climate change and sustainability strategies, diversity and inclusion initiatives, corporate governance best practices, board responsibilities and oversight, ethics and integrity. Then for operations and facilities, like we can discuss about waste management, energy efficiency, risk management, community engagement, compliance with the laws and regulations. For example, human resource, for HR, the trainings can be related to sustainable sourcing and procurement, employee well-being and mental health, green building practices, employment laws and labor standards, data privacy and security. For finance and accounting department, we can discuss about carbon footprint calculations, environmental impacts, corporate social responsibility reporting, social impact investments, financial reporting standards, internal controls and audit procedures. So these can be certain examples for different organizational business functions. Okay, then here we see how to use the ESG training matrix. So first we need to identify the employee roles and departments. So first list down these different roles or departments within the organization that require ESG training first of all. Then select relevant ESG topics, suitable ESG topics, assign relevant suitable ESG topics under each category of environment, social and governance based on the responsibilities and functions of each role. Then prioritize the training needs. Prioritizing those training needs by assessing the roles and have direct influence on involvement in ESG related practices and decision making. Then develop the training programs. We develop tailored training programs and materials for each category of training identified in the matrix. Also implement and monitor. Then implement the training programs and monitor the participation, okay, and also effectiveness to ensure alignment with organizational ESG goals, and update regularly. We need to update the ESG training matrix regularly to reflect evolving ESG practices and ESG priorities also. Okay, and maybe some regulatory changes are also there, and organizational needs also we need to consider. Then what can be the benefits of having the ESG training matrix? Focused training. We ensure employees receive targeted training relevant to their roles and responsibilities. It helps in complying with ESG regulations and mitigating risks associated with non-compliances. Also engage employees in ESG initiatives, fostering a culture of responsibility and sustainability. Continuous improvement supports continuous learning and improvement in ESG performance across the organization. So by utilizing an ESG training matrix, organizations can effectively equip their workforce with the knowledge and also the skills which are necessary to integrate ESG principles into their daily operations and decision making, driving sustainable business practices and positive impact. Thank you very much friends. Let us start our new topic now.